Hello and welcome to this tutorial on getting started with Spring Boot and Spring Data JPA. In this video, we'll be setting up a Spring Boot project using the Spring Initializer. To do this, we'll navigate to the Spring Initializer website. Select the desired options for our project, such as the project type, language, packaging, and Java version. We'll also add the required dependencies such as spring-boot-starter-data-jpa, spring-boot-starter-web, Lombok, and h2. Once we have selected all of our options and dependencies, we'll click on the Generate button to download a zip file containing our project. Once we have our project set up, we'll update the application.properties file to configure our database connection. In the application.properties file, we'll set the database URL, username, and password. We'll also enable the H2 console. Next, we'll create a person entity class to represent our data. The person entity will have three fields: ID, first name, and last name. We'll use annotations to map these fields to columns in our database. We'll also create a person repository interface to handle our database operations. The person repository interface will extend the JPA repository interface provided by Spring Data JPA. This will give us access to common CRUD operations, such as save, find all, find by ID, and delete by ID. Finally, we'll create a person service class to handle the business logic of our application. The person service class will be annotated with a service and will implement two methods: one to retrieve all persons from the database, and another to save a new person to the database. Once our application is running, we can access the H2 console by navigating to H2 console in our web browser. From there, we can interact with our in-memory database and view or modify data. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials on JPA-related topics coming soon.